In John 14, verse 12, he makes this amazing statement, and this is what I'm gunning for this. This is what I want to experience with everything in my heart. Is John 14 in verse 12, he says, most assuredly, I say to you. He begins with most assuredly. It's almost like he said, I promise you, most assuredly, I say to you, he who believes in me, the works that I do, he will do also. I promise you that what I did, you will do also. Let's forget about the greater works for now. Can we just get on board with this, that I want to do what he did? And I can do what he did, but I need to deny this. And I need to start realizing what is on the inside of me.